There are two layer 2 projects you need to know about. Now, I'm sure you are all familiar with the hotcakes in layer 2 like Optimism, Arbitrum, ZK Sync, and even Base. It is none of them. These ones operate the same way, but these two are about to spice things up and they might overtake the hotcakes. So what are they? Taiko and Scrolls. Taiko is a type 1 ZK EVM that aims to maximize compatibility. In other words, Ethereum dApps can interact with Taiko. So Ethereum developers don't need to learn any new thing to build on Taiko. And this is not even the juicy part. The juicy part is Taiko recently secured $22 million from two big investors, Generative Ventures Network and Sequoia Capital China. Having obtained this funding, the team has begun working on the testnets and have announced that they will release their token after the launch. This means that participating in a testnet and other community events might give you a chance in the airdrop. So if you want to participate in this airdrop, visit taiko.xyz to test out the network. I've also dropped the link to the community events in the description of this video. Now, let's scroll down and look at number 2, which is Scroll. I have mentioned Scroll a few times in my videos. Scroll is on a mission to provide an accessible scaling solution that preserves the essence of Ethereum. It is a secure and open source network designed by and for Ethereum developers. Just like Taiko, Scroll has received impressive funding. Now, guess how much? $83 million from 16 investors. They've also rolled out their testnet for public use. You can check it out by going to scroll.io. So, is there an airdrop? The airdrop is not confirmed, but the team recently announced that they are looking for a way to reward network testers. So if you want some reward, just go to scroll.io and test out the platform. Now, if you don't know how to go about this, I will help you for free. Use the link in the description to join my Telegram group. We hold free DeFi classes 3 times a week. And for those who want to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies, the AFIBE Crypto Trading School is ready. I have been working on this for quite some time now. So go to afibe.com to get started. The link is in the description. I'll see you there and in the next video.